Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Core. In this video, I'm going to compare the antutu benchmark score between the Mi Note 10 Lite versus the Poco X2 device. So as you can see, right now I'm using the Mi Note 10 Lite, which is a 8GB and 128GB variant, and Poco X2, which has the same kind of Snapdragon 730G processor. So both phones are having the same kind of 730G processor, and I just want to compare the antutu score, so which is best and which has more antutu benchmark score. So if you're watching first time this channel, do subscribe to my channel and also check the links in description if you want to know what wallpapers I'm using exactly here. So there's separate playlist available for the wallpapers alone, so you can find plenty of useful wallpaper playlist. So don't forget to definitely check the wallpaper playlist, and also there are plenty of phone playlist as well, so there you can find the videos related to the mobile phone. So in case if you're planning to buy either of the mobile phones, then subscribing to my channel will be very helpful, because I'll be doing plenty of videos even in the future once I receive plenty of updates from the MIUI. And let me open the antutu benchmark application in both the phones and let me show you the score side by side compare. So as you can see, the both are running the same antutu benchmark version 8.3.7, and I have done the antutu benchmark test already, so I don't want to waste any time. So I want to make this video very short as possible. So that's why I'm straight away taking you to the score which I have got. As you can see, so there is a little bit of difference between both the phones in terms of CPU as well. So in terms of GPU, there is only slight amount of change, but in the CPU you can see a little bit of difference between both the phones. So this is the overall comparison, and if you see the temperature as well and battery dropping, so you can notice how much it increased during this test. So I'll be doing the battery drain test, so which is the main reason why I bought the Mi Note 10 Lite, only because of the battery, 5200 mAh of capacity for the small screen and AMOLED panel. So that is a most interesting feature for this phone. So I'll be doing the battery drain test comparison with the Poco X2 as well. So we will know Poco X2 or the Mi Note 10 Lite, which phone will last longer. So definitely stay tuned by subscribing to my channel, and also do comment below what videos you want me to do. So definitely I'll try to make those videos. So don't forget to check the links in description for playlist of wallpapers and other smartphones. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.